Pete Dagger, if you're still with us, you may want to have a word or two with him. And Shekhar's been waiting to say something to Rudy as well. Rudy, to you first. Many people here in the studio are saying the BJP jumped the gun. Why did you need to comment on the American president's first statement? He just landed, he'd been there an hour, and the BJP already took a position. Do you want to explain the reasoning behind the comments, your comment?
Well, the aspect which I have mentioned is a fact that this was a striking note, and that this was an opportunity to dispel that US is a threat to Pakistan and a business proposition for India. So this is a note which could have been easily struck here, which possibly did not appear. Now, it's not an observation that everything has gone haywire. It is a very strong feeling, a note which would have been desirable. So that desire which could have made everyone very enthusiastic. Yes, international diplomacy gives a lot of space. The BJP does give a lot of space, but a place like Mumbai, where every eye is focused, and where he has expressed in a way that he expressed his solidarity and that perpetrator. But knowing the background, you see, there is, and we would be more than happy, and I can repeat again, we would be more than happy if in the next 3 days, if a tenor is developed where it does the sensitivity to terror, the sensitivity to what is happening in India across the border, what Pakistan has been doing, it would make a lot of difference. And this is, we would be talking about the civil nuclear deal, we will be talking about power projects, we'll be talking about agriculture, we'll be talking about so many things. But what would excite everyone? Because you see, at the end of the day, that is one thing which really, and I'm sure you also must be feeling that if it could have appeared there, it would have been. So it's not a denouncement. It's basically an expectation which we feel. And
okay, so you're distinguishing between a denouncement. You're saying it was an expectation being put on the table. We've got Manishankar Iyer also joining us, also Sanjay Puri, a prominent Indian American voice. Shekhar, before we finally let you go, what would you say to Rudy, who's saying, look, I'm not condemning the president. I am saying this is an expectation of at least a section of the Indian people.
I think I'd say two things. I think one, that certainly he's now nuancing what he said earlier. And second, that many of us, or many people, overreacted to what he said earlier. You know, it wasn't a condemnation of President Obama. He had said, he should have said this, he should have mentioned Pakistan, he should have underlined where the attackers came from. Yeah. And that the fight against terror is a work in progress. To that extent, it's a, it's a
legitimate position to have.
You might say this is not the right time to say so, but it's a legitimate position. So I think it's good that he's nuancing it. I think we should leave it at that. I do not think it's such a big outrage, and I don't think we live in feudal times and a guest comes in. See, you remember when Musharraf came to India, one of your colleagues, Sonia, in fact, said, while anchoring a show, can you trust this man? And Musharraf got furious at his infamous breakfast with us. He said, one of your young women said on TV, can this man be trusted? This man? Do you call a guest in your country this man? That is a feudal way of looking at things. I think we should now move on to the next step.
To bigger pictures. Thank you so much, Shekhar. Rajiv Pratap, Rudy, you're still with us. Pete Dagger, you were very upset initially at the BJP comments. When you hear it expressed in terms of an expectation that India or a section of the Indian people would like a reference to Pakistan, does that at least make sense to you?
Yeah, yes, it does. An expectation is not only very fair, it is something that is valid. I've been hearing that a lot this past week, and and I think at some level it needs to be expressed. And again, it may just be for security, it may be for other reasons that this is behind the scenes, but it is being addressed. It's just not. It won't be addressed his first few minutes on Indian soil. But as far as an expectation, yeah, that's very valid and that's very fair. I do want to point out that India, I think both our countries could do a better job in working on these issues. And I love about democracy is that you can point out a fault or point out and say, this is something we need to get done and we need to move on. And I am all for that. And again, I'll say this. I can argue all day long with what I agree or don't agree with that statement, with the BJP statement, but at least it's a democracy, and at the end of the day, we're working together. And you know what? 3, 4, 5 years from now, it may be a Republican president, it may be the BJP may be in power, who knows? The point is we need to forge our ties and strengthen the foundation between our two countries.
Okay.
It would behoove India to do that.
All right. Before I go to Rudy for a last comment, Manishankar Iyer, Raja, and then you. We've been talking about President Obama's first comments in Mumbai, and then this debate sort of erupted about the absence of reference to Pakistan, primarily by the BJP, which has now nuanced its comments to say, all we're saying is we expect Pakistan to be mentioned over the next 3 days. Is that legitimate?
Well, I didn't hear the comments.
Yeah.
I'm not following this visit with the avidity with which the NDTV is taking it.
And why is that?
Well, it's a visit.
Just by any old person?
No, it's a visit like many others. There are many other visits which I wish you would cover with this interest.
Because you think our foreign policy is too America-centric?
No, because I think NDTV is much too America-centered. What we need is a recognition of what Indian national interests are and concerns that are ours. Now, I didn't know, since I didn't hear what he said, I don't know whether he mentioned Pakistan or not.
He did not.
But if he didn't mention Pakistan, I'm very glad he didn't.
Because?
Because I think the India-Pakistan issue is something to be settled between our two countries. Why should we bring the Americans into it?
They're already in the picture.
Well, they are
in Afghanistan.
They are in the picture.
We look towards them to intervene in Pakistan all the time.
You may do it,
we,
but I
Indian
don't.
state.
I do not look to them to intervene in anything. And as far as I know, the government of India's position is that issues between India and Pakistan are to be dealt with between India and Pakistan. Now, there may be some tangential consequences of the American relationship with Afghanistan, the American relationship with Pakistan, the American relationship with this hyphenated entity called AFPAC, which they have invented to give somebody a job. But I do not think that we in India should be sitting waiting to see what the Americans have to say about Pakistan. Why don't we talk to the Pakistanis? And why don't we sort things out with the Pakistanis?
You don't see the Americans as a player in this equation?
I certainly do. I can see that they would wish to be players. And I cannot stop them from having their desires. But as an Indian, I believe that especially with regard to Pakistan, more especially than with regard to any other country, the India-Pakistan equation must be settled between India and Pakistan.
I think that's exactly what Obama's spokesman said before he caught his flight.
Yeah.
So I think they themselves are saying it's between India and Pakistan. I think the issue, is really politics, What we are exactly like the Americans. In America, the Tea Party guys are now saying, why is the president spending $200 million flying into Asia?
Yeah.
Why is he staying at 5-star hotels? I think what Rudy is doing here, what Tea Party is doing there, is exactly the same. Play politics with any issue. If we can throw a stone, throw it. I think that is their dharma to do that.
Satish Chandra, you were wanting to complete your point on...
No, I was just saying that willy-nilly the Americans, we don't want them to be a part of it, but they are a part of it. They are putting in $20 billion there plus all sorts of other things, so they are a part of it. Coming to this talk that we started off on, my own reactions was that the choice of the venue and the first event was very good because it is emotive, it touches a chord. That was a good thing. I think he spoke well. I would, if I was Kanti Bajpai, I'd probably give him 6 on 10 though, not 8 on 10.
Because?
I think it lacked oomph. I expected a much more eloquent thing. That was my reaction on it. On Pakistan, here or there, really, well, I think, and I heard this, in fact, on